Welcome back to part 2 of my day alone in Imphal. मैंने कुछ नया चीज़ ट्राई किया, काफ़ी वियर्ड है बट मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. Watch to find out what. It's 3 o'clock now. They said 3:30 is the aarti, but I am starving. And Rainy also did not reach. What should I do? Should I wait for the aarti or go eat and come back? Half an hour में can I go eat and come back? Challenge accepted. पंडित जी बोले राइट जाके कोई होटल है और मेरे पास आधा घंटा है. I will go look for food and then come back again because I want the aarti. रेनी अभी तक पहुंची नहीं, उसने कॉल भी नहीं किया. शी इज़ इन सम celebration, so I'm assuming she'll take time, which is not bad for me. Oh, by the way, lotus flowers है, लोकटक से लाइए वो. And this lady also has. I'm happy. She suggested me this hotel. It's going to be expensive, but I'm too hungry and there's nothing on the road, so rich people's lunch. क्या हो रहा है? मैं ज़्यादा हेवी हो गई क्या?
I think the sensor is not working properly this time.
Okay, that worked. So restaurant is open and it's on the first floor. Hi, I want food.
Yes. You just have the sit.
Like I can sit here?
Yes, you can sit.
Okay. She just herself asked for my YouTube channel. What's your name? Tell me your name.
My name is Hatsi Watai.
And you're from Imphal?
I'm from Imphal. Yes.
A sweetheart who just spoke to me in a language that I can understand. Whole day I did not meet anybody who spoke English or Hindi.
Oh, today.
Today whole day.
Oh.
So we were talking in action. But very nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you.
I wanted the aarti and now I'm sitting in front of non-veg food. Aarti has just started and I am missing it. But can't faint, I have to eat. arrived. I've got a ride. Now local style.
It'll be one by one sword. You'll be all fighting. It's too hard for me. Also, I cannot drink.
I'll pass out for sure. I wanna be here. What is this place? Is this... What is this place? Dude, somebody tell me. I am going in April.
You're going in April. Yeah, and we'll go together.
Okay.
For sure, no?
Whole month I'll be there. You come and join me whenever you want to
okay.
come.
So one of the guys that we met on the Dumbuk, no? I think Roti now has that number.
It'll take some, at least even if you
I don't think it takes 7 hours.
even if you cover fast, it will take five
Yeah,
and a half
something like
hours.
that.
Yeah. Too big.
No.
Make it small.
No, it's not big.
Make it small. It's too big.
You can have it.
I cannot. Make it small.
Do like this. Open your mouth.
Ayo, I will not be able to swallow only. You tell her to cut.
Just chew it.
Just cut, no.
You see,
Oh my god. Huh, but that is also so big, dude.
I don't feel that much bad.
But I've never eaten it.
We'll have it. Call it marine,
What is inside?
like what you say? Onions and all used to put inside.
Oh,
That pork, the down one, the bumpy one,
fat.
fatty one. We used to cut that small pieces. We used to put inside. That one is Simorosa. But I'll take from the side. It's little less.
Oh my god, I ate pork intestine.
Intestine one, this one.
This is also intestine only, no?
Yeah, that's another one. This is chicken, I think. What is this?
Fish.
Fish. What's that? Pork. I think this one is a leg piece.
No.
This one is pork leg. Yeah, leg piece.
No.
Just the pork curry one.
We'll finish this.
This we'll have chicken. Yeah. We'll have that one, okay? why do?
Cho hoa. Cho hoa thì rồi.
Rồi kia. 50 bị tăng bị rồi. Ba taste on. I think the same. Rice flavor. This one, this flavor, this is pineapple flavor. That local one, I don't know. I think pineapple.
Yeah, look at my face. My face is happy. Take it, take it.
Only one.
Introduce now what is what?
This is called Mahunsa Singju.
Okay.
Like big cover, no?
Skin.
Yeah, skin. That's Singju we call.
Okay.
And this one is intestine.
The one I tried there.
Called marine. This
Marine.
one, marine.
I don't want to see, but but it tasted good.
Yeah, that's
Tasted
very
good.
Marine.
Okay.
Whatever the man did.
How will you let him know that?
Oh, it's not there. Then come on, come on.
Wait for some more time.
Shall I do?
Yeah.
No, it's how beautiful is that? No, and within that too. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yep. गर्ल किधर किधर तेरा आंख जा रहा है रास्ते में आंख रख Leo, that's Leo.
Say hi. Hello. Hi. It's hi.
Yes, she cannot look at us.
We speak about the mystical belief. I know. When somebody dies, the most loved one, they try to pull
take
with
away,
them.
no?
Yeah. So
It's happened in Manipur also.
yeah. So I believe in that, and that might be a reason.
one pan. I can eat 4 times.
Here, from the middle, you take it.
God knows where we are.
Pagachari kana buka kada ito from na rino bang mana de har nang na inak to from du na nuksi wari sane kana sana huro kini siang nuksi wari mira ako di sana ro from huro no di sana ro yaad re sana kena khan bane to